night. Thunder roars as we charge through the fight. A single dream burning in our hearts. We carve a path to a brand new start. In a humble school, wisdom lights the flame. A teacher's words forever in my veins. Raise your will even if they call you mad. Yoshida Shōin, his spirit never fades. Life cut short, but his fire remains. In Ryukon Roku, his soul is engraved. Rise up, let your spirit ignite. Our voices pierce the endless sky. Even if I stand alone, I'll fight. Raise the flag of justice high. Show the world our Choshu pride. In the silence of Kozan Temple's halls, we choose resolve, though hope seems small. Now let Choshu's sons show their might. We're the chosen few, like Ito and friends. Under the banner of the righteous, we shatter the chains of the old defense. Rise up, let your spirit ignite. Our voices pierce the endless sky. Even if I stand alone, I'll fight. Raise the flag of justice high. Show the world our Choshu pride. In the war for borders, hope nearly gone. 4,000 souls face 150,000 strong. With wisdom and fire, the Kiheitai race. Through the storm at Oshima's gate, we break the shogun's shadow. Victory's light shines on Choshu.